Hi, welcome to Kads Review. Today I'm so excited. I have a new subscription to my channel, and this is called the Copper Cow Coffee. And the Copper Cow Coffee is a Vietnamese pour-over coffee. It's women-owned, sustainably sourced, and biodegradable filters. And let me just give you some pricing because they have a ton of different subscriptions. And so this is classic Vietnamese pour-over with condensed milk and sugar. And I'm going to show you how to actually how to use it. So it comes with disposable pour-over filters, and convenient single portion packets of sweetened condensed milk are all you need. This looks really interesting. And they have the coffee club, and you're always 90 seconds away from the best coffee of your life with our pretty ingenious, if we do say so, our pour-over filters. Each filter is 100% biodegradable because we need a planet to grow our coffee. Very true. And it's sustainably sourced, organically sourced from the Central Highlands in Vietnam to create a blend of so smooth you'll feel like you're trying coffee for the very first time. And 100% real California milk, the best creamer you can keep in your pantry, hands down. The secret of Vietnamese coffee, now in convenient single service, no preservatives or additives, 100% California milk and sugar. And like I said, they are woman-owned, sustainably sourced, and taste obsessed. Okay, so let me just give you some pricing, and then we'll get into the coffee. I'm really dying to check out how to make this. Okay. So they have the classic subscription, which is $37, and I believe these are all on sale on their website. It's originally $64, and they have it marked down to $37, and you receive 20 coffees, 20 creamers, and flavor samples. And you know what, you love it. Our signature Vietnamese pour-over kit featuring their special robust and Arabic coffee blend, and the Coffee Cow creamers featuring sweetened condensed milk. They have the Party Pack subscription, which is $42, with 20 variety coffees, 20 variety creamers, and samples. And then they have the Just Black subscription, which is $30, and it's 20 coffees and flavor samples. And then they have the Coconut Party subscription, which is 20 variety coffees, 20 coconut creamers, and samples. And, oh, there's still more. Coconut subscription, $39, 20 coffees, 20 coconut cream samples. So check out their website, and they do have a lot of different coffee subscriptions to offer. Okay, so this is the box, the Copper Cow Coffee. And you open it up, and very pretty inside the box. So they give you a ton of coffees. I mean, look at the stack of coffees here. And then you receive all of their sweetened condensed milk, and this is milk and sugar. And you get a bunch of those. How handy are those to just keep in your pantry on hand? And, oh, we even have more over here. Okay, and these must be the samples. I can't really read that. Okay, so these are, they always, I guess, include a couple of different sample ones, and then we have some more creamers, and then they have a cup right here. You know what, I think I'll use this cup, and just so I can show you. Okay, so I was reading how to do it, so if you can bear with me for one moment, let me just move this over to the side. And I'm going to open this up. It's really pretty cool setup that they have. So there's the filter, and these open up, and they hang over your cup like that. So what you do is you tear this open. Probably should have got some scissors to open this, but that's all right. Okay, so, ooh, oh, that smells so nice. You know, it smells just like when you get the freshly ground coffee. So I did boil some water, and I'm just gonna pour it over. And then you just let it, I think this is 6 ounces I did. And then what I'll do is I'll take the creamers and put that in, and you can see how it looks. So this is really such a cool system, though. Pour a little more in there. You don't want to overfill it, because then all the grounds will come out. But I mean, that's a ton of coffee, and I got to tell you, it smells just like you're making a fresh pot of coffee with just this one coffee. It's very simple to make, and okay, so these samples, I couldn't read it at first. I had to put it under the light. The 2 samples I have is mint. So with each subscription, they give you a couple of different, I guess, flavored samples. So I'm not going to try that tonight. We're just going to try this one out. I think we're almost done here. These are great too, you know, take it to work with you. Throw a couple in your purse with a couple of creamers. And you know, you can even heat the water up in the microwave, and I think you put it on for 2 minutes, and you'll have a quick, easy cup of coffee. I think we're almost at the end here. It takes a couple of minutes, but you know, if you're making a pot of coffee, it's going to take you more time than this. So, and then we'll be adding the milk and sugar. And I don't think I've ever had this. And this is the California milk and sugar. 100% natural, no preservatives, no additives. All right, I think this is the last. Okay, that'll be it. Should be done in about 2 seconds. I probably could have put some more water in there, but that's all right. I'll have an extra strong cup of coffee. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in here because I don't want to make a mess. Okay, so now I'm going to put the creamer in there. Let me just try to open it here. I think I need a knife. Oh, wait a minute. You know, I can never open these little packets. Ah, I got it. Okay, so I'm just going to pour a little bit in because I don't know how thick it is because it's mixed with sugar. So this ought to be very different, interesting. Okay, I don't like it too sweet, so. Okay, so there you go. Come on, pretty light. You can add more if you like, and if it's, so I'm gonna try it out. Wow, that's amazing. You know, it has such a nice fresh flavor to it, and I really love this this idea. You know, all these packets, and I mean, you got a ton of them here, and I'm dying to try the mint one. I kind of wish I opened the mint one, but I'll try it on another day. I'll put it in my description how I like the mint one. But I want to thank the Copper Cow for sending this out to me for a review. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.